fellows. And management of ARCOM, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome all of you. I think that we kickstart this with the national anthem. So if you don't mind, be upstanding so that we take the national anthem. Don't worry, we are going to play. We are not going to tell you to sing. Thank you. Put your hands together for yourself. You know, some people, you know them from their background.
Akeem installs Obateru of Egbin, Oyebo as fellow. Following his past and present inspiringly outstanding records as an advertising practitioner, His Royal Majesty Obateru Oluwaseson Akeem Oyebo, the Obateru of Egbin in Ikorodu local government area of Lagos State, was on Friday the 24th of November, 2023 installed as a Fellow of Advertising Practitioners Council of Nigeria, Akeem. The event, which took place at the prestigious Sheraton Hotels and Suites in Ikeja, drew the attention of creme de la creme of the Nigerian advertising world. Oyebo, massively honored by executives and members of the advertising regulatory body for his sterling performances and achievements as a member who is now a fellow. Oyebo was an associate member. APA was an exceptional and outstanding member who has now climbed a higher ladder. High Celebrity Squad Media wish HRM Obateru Oyebo many more achievements as an advertising practitioner while wishing him the best of rulership in his town Egbin via Ikorodu. His town remains one of the most important in Lagos State as it houses one of the country's power plants.
We have here also senior fellow, a former Triple N president, and the advocate for the women. You're welcome. We welcome the president of OAN, Mr. Shola Akeem. He's also a fellow of this profession. We also want to recognize especially the screening committee members, those who made it possible for some people to join this Mr. Ofai Ladipo, if he's here, can you clap for him or clap for him in attention? Mr. Yinka Adebayo is here. We have, even if you're a fellow one day before this one, you're a senior fellow, right? Can we recognize also the president of Nigerian Institute of Marketing? We have Mr. Abiodun Aderawumi, sorry if I Aderawumi. Now the thing with the right here they call it. No give me writer. Also the chairperson of ASP and another senior fellow, Omowumi Owodun. Put your hands together for her. Okay. Hands together for me. You're most welcome. Thank you very much.
I want to say a very big thank you for making time out of your very busy schedule to be part of this event. It is not a speech-making event, but rather to congratulate all the innovators that Today we will confer with the fellowship of the advertising profession. I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of us. Let me also use this opportunity to remind us that the National Advertising Conference is scheduled to hold in Abuja between 6th and 8th of December. We look forward to welcoming each and every one of us. Thank you very much. Protocols. I just have a short speech to make. Our profession, like many others, has different levels of membership. The Alcohol Act 2022 provides for the following categories of membership, namely student membership, associate membership, full membership, and fellowship, which is the ultimate. Fellowship of our profession is the highest status conferred on those who have been found to be fit and proper, both in their contributions to the growth of the advertising profession and character. It is based on the above that when the committee, made up of some of the best from the various sectors of our profession, was inaugurated, we diligently screened the application received in line with the terms of reference. For avoidance of doubt, the following are the members of the committee: Emmanuel Alifo, FRPA; Rufai Ladipo, FRPA; Shola Akishiko, FRPA; Ida Adebayo, FRPA; Rocco Halabi, ARPA; Emmanuel Lago, ARPA; Joe Eugene, Honor, RPA. We received a total of 45 applications, and 38 were recommended for conforming with the prestigious fellowship status. Unfortunately, we had 7 unsuccessful applicants. We are grateful to the DG and the management of ARCON for finding us worthy for this assignment, and do hope that we will meet up to the expectation. Congratulations to our brand new fellows. Thank you.
There is an S in my name. It is free to use, to potencies. I will not charge you. And also, to declare also that I'm also a fellow, because I see that you're elected not to say that. I do not know why. So while I congratulate you, new fellows, I want to then, let you know that sometime in the future, you might be invited to an event like this, and if this MC is in charge, he will not, mention that you're fellow. But I thank you all, and I congratulate you. He's my friend. He knows it's, we have a disagreement on one platform, so he's not forgiving me. That's why I moved the S, and why he elected not to call me a fellow. But Mr. DG, we might just cancel this ceremony and you will be a fellow. So I think you should just... So it's a great day. It's especially great on behalf of the AAA and my president, Mr. Steve Babeko. I wish to compliment you all for what promises to be a special day.
Okay, Oyebo, Oyebo, can we put our hands together for you? Of the throne of his forefathers on the 4th